if that went in. Ow, wait.
Why is it Matt helping us?
I don't know why I'm doing this. They just told me to do this. Why are we doing this? Hey guys, it's Home Improvements with Inanna, and today we're building a walk-in closet. Yeah. Alright, well, let's get started. You want coffee or purple cream?
You don't like it?
No.
This is the roomie, this is what you get in the morning.
Basically, we're building a shoe closet. Those are his work goggles.
So above the molding at the bottom. So you have, it's gonna be really nice because you're gonna have this where you can put your accessories. You can build out shelves right here.
I'm calling Home Depot for the mirror while he's making some French toast. Like it's 9:30. Wait, is Home Depot even open? This is so annoying. I've been on it for like, I don't know how long. Let me see. 5 minutes. I was gonna say I've been on hold for 40 minutes. Oh wow, well that's embarrassing. I have no patience.
But how many partitions would that be? Would that be 3 different pieces or?
Probably 3. Yeah, probably would be 3.
That's what I figured.
I thought it was just one big one. Okay, and approximately how much would that be?
I can tell you. Let me get to the computer. I'll tell you right away. Put your hold for just a minute.
Okay, thank you.
So the price for each panel, the regular price for each panel would be $749. If you do 3, we can give you a 20% discount. Basically, we make it $599 for each.
Got it. So it's like 1,500.
About $1,500 delivered to you.
1,500.
Yeah. Got my tool belt on. Ready to cut some wood. Where's the measuring tape? I need to take my tool belt on. Got it. So they've taped off all the plastic and we're gonna start building out the frame of the wall. Well, they're gonna start building out the frame of the wall. I just cut one piece of wood out and I think they just almost got splintered. I don't know why I'm doing this. They just told me to do this. Why are we doing this? Okay, my hands hurt. They're cutting the floor. Alright, they're finishing cutting the framing. We're almost done with the framing. And then we're gonna start the drywall. Oh, wow.
Very hard.
Okay, got it. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
I got it. That wasn't so bad. Alright. That was my help with the framing. Let's get out of their way. Sorry. So we're putting in the drywall. This is a lot faster than I thought. Can I try one? I don't know if that went in. Let me see if it's going through the wood. Oh nice, he's sleeping. There's still so much stuff to move around. To move all those shoes out.
Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
I am running some errands right now.
Okay, you want to get lunch?
Yeah, it's at lunch.
Wait, but can you come over here and then we'll like 20 minutes?
I can give that 20 minutes. Yeah, I can head over there. Alright, I'll see you soon.
Hey!
Hi. Sorry, just like invite myself over, try to open the door.
We're doing some construction right now.
Cool. Are we going to lunch?
Yeah. Okay, so I mean, I know I said we're gonna get lunch. I just need some help with some stuff.
Like?
Just like moving like a few shoes around. I'm building a shoe closet. Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Oh, I can't get up.
You obviously threw more than a little.
I just need to move these real quick. Cause what time is it? We have lunch at like, it's 12. The rest of the shoes out of the closet. But it'll be like a quick thing. It'll be like, honestly, like 2 minutes. Ow, wait. Okay, Daniel. And almost hit me in the face.
Sorry.
Actually, I think we need to move them out.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Sure. Yeah.
Wait, no, both of them. Both of them, Daniel.
Okay.
It's not too much. And then if you want to just grab a garbage bag And then I can clean out my closet.
Okay, let me go get that garbage bag. She told me she was gonna get me lunch, and then I'm here to help her clean now. Yes.
What is that?
Your mom gave me this.
I said my shoe closet.
You said like
I
a
mean
garbage bag.
Like a big industrial one.
Your mom was like,
it's gonna
I'll help
fit
clean
one
that. Don't
pair of
bother. She
shoes.
was- Okay, why is it Matt? Why is it Matt helping us?
Oh, he's, I don't know. He was helping.
He was helping. He's not.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Don't tip it. The shoes are gonna come out this way.
Okay. Hold on one second.
Like this? Okay. It's okay, Mom.
It's okay. It's okay.
No,
It's okay.
We need to empty this whole closet.
This whole closet.
Yeah.
Can you put the camera down and just help us? There's so much stuff to do.
Woohoo! Closet guys are here. Hey, Closet Factory. Let's check it out and get started. Oh my god, guys, the shoe closet is so perfect. It fits all my shoes, from my runners to my boots. So I'm just so happy with the turnout, and I'm so excited that I did it. So my shoe closet is finally done, and I'm so happy. I feel so relieved having I feel like when things are unorganized, my life is unorganized. So this quarantine has definitely given me a chance to finally organize everything. And this shoe closet is just gonna be such a lifesaver because now I know exactly where to find all my shoes and my workout stuff. Everything is just so much better. I look like a mess right now. I'm gonna go shower and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this little closet cleanout video.